Hello friends, ang lakas ng snow. Actually winter ended on March 19, pero hanggang ngayon may mga snow pa oh. And for us, our winter ended with a terrible disaster. Tumumba yung yung punong malaki sa side ng bahay natin. Dito sa likod ng na ito, sa likod ng garahe na ito, at nasira yung aming bakod. It's terrible aksidente. Malakas kasi masyado yung hangin, no? May storm on that day nung March 16. So dahil sa lakas ng hangin, because of strong wind, tumumba yung isang patay na kasi yung puno na yun. It's a dead and rotting tree. And I'll show you the video right now. Talagang may severe thunderstorm eh. Buti nga di tayo pinabayaan ni God eh. Yan lang ang nangyari. We can have it fixed. Pero ito yung severe thunderstorm. Disaster. Neighbor at bumagsak. Ayan. Sira yung aming bakod. Mabuti hindi tinamaan itong bahay. Sa garahe, bumagsak pa yung aming flagpole. Oh my God. Putol. Tanggalin mo na. Tawagan na naman natin yung mama para gawin yan. May malakas na hangin nung mangyari ito. At may narinig kaming malakas na kalabog. Pero hindi lang namin pinansin kasi kapag bumabagyo naman parang natural lang ang mga ganito. Actually, our neighbor knocked on our door and inform us what happened and show us that their dead tree had fallen on our fence. They told us how sorry they were and they're going to have it fixed. So we're really confused during that time. Disaster. Disaster tong ano na ito, itong storm na ito. Malaking puno ito eh. We didn't call 911 or cops for this. Otherwise, it will cause tension to our relationship with our neighbor. Matanda ng puno eh. Tuyo na. Galaw-galaw sa hangin kasi ito eh. Tawag naman ako nung gumagawa ng flag. Friends, we end up fixing this flag ourselves. We bought these pipes and ropes and put it back. Mga ano lang nga, connection of pipes, kino-connect lang into this long flagpole. So we did it ourselves. Di naman masyadong mahal, not too expensive. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video. Bye for now.